Welcome back to another cleanup. Today we want to clean up this natural dam. There's a lot of trash that has piled up here, and yeah, we want to see if we can get some of that out today. Maybe not everything, because it's still a bit dangerous with the water and I don't want to break into the dam, but we'll see how much we can get out and maybe go further along the bank here and see what else we can find there. First piece of trash for today, a Jägermeister bottle. I'll put that to the other two that we collected last time. Another piece of styrofoam. Plastic. Another wine bottle. One, two, three wine bottles. Styrofoam. And another one. Some harder liquor. More styrofoam, a Coke bottle, some kind of rubber, an old candle. Who throws their candle away into a river? That's incredibly dumb. Okay, so far we made good progress. There's already a lot of bottles there. Mostly glass, fortunately. Here's another one. So yeah, we're making good progress. It's only been like 5 minutes or so, and look how much we have already gotten out of the river here. Okay, I switched from my tripod to my head mount because I'm a bit scared that my camera falls into some hole here, so yeah, new perspective for you. Oh, there are a lot of bottles under here. Another wine bottle, another one, another one, gin. So I think at this point it's very safe to say that someone upstream from here has a serious alcohol problem. That's not normal. Ooh. Oh, I'm sinking. A pepper. What do we have here? Oh, another wine bottle. Yeah. There is a lot here.
Oh yes.
Is that natural? Oh no. That's some sort of styrofoam too. Another piss bottle, nice. Oh, don't fall in there. Oh wow, that's so sad. Styrofoam, oh that's a huge one. Oh yeah, very huge chunk of styrofoam.
Oh wow.
More wine bottles.
On my head, please.
Yeah, I'll try. I don't even know what to say anymore. I mean, yeah, it's just sad. So many bottles, so much styrofoam here. Really terrible. Here's some more for you.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, Nerf dart. Another hot vodka bottle. Yeah.
Shoe?
A shoe, yeah, why not? Spray paint. Yeah, that's also not supposed to be here. Oh man. A piece of fake wood. Come on. Yeah. Let's get the dirt off here. Plywood? Yeah. Oh yeah. Piece of plywood. Or as I like to call it, fake wood. So yeah, that also needs to go. Holy shit. I don't even know how we're supposed to carry all that back.
Yeah, I'm not sure the way.
Oh, a little fish. First fish I've seen here. And it's made out of plastic. Yeah. That says a lot about the river quality here. Endless amounts of bottles. Here's another one. That sound is ugly, right?
Yeah,
Plastic for once.
that's better.
Endless amounts of bottles here. Endless. It doesn't stop. The whole day. Another 2 bottles. At this point I don't even know what to make with this video. There's just so much trash and yeah, it's so much. It's really incredible. I don't have any words for it. So this stretch here of the dam looks a bit better now, but there's still so much here. If you just peek under the surface here a bit, you can see there's another bottle, there's one here, down in there in this hole, there's another one, almost completely hidden. So yeah, this is incredible. Yes, we can. Another wine bottle. Oh, this one's really stuck here. Orange juice. Ah, shit. Ah, there we go. Here. Now I'm sure if we just take a look under the surface here, there will be other trash. Like this bottle. And there's another one down there. Look at that. So yeah. What we are taking out is just the surface here, because there's so much more trash underneath here that we aren't even able to see. So I'm at a loss for words. Here's another one. Styrofoam down there. Oh, come on. More vodka. And I can't reach this one. Come on. Come here. No. Yes. 2 bottles. It's already looking a lot better here, and I just noticed that behind this fallen tree here there are more bottles, and yeah, I just want to see if we can get over there, but there are a lot of thorns here. That's very nasty. Another plastic bottle full with rocks. So I don't know why people do that. I really don't know. Oh, there we go. Oh shit! That's dead. Breaks off really easily. And that's very deep there. Shit. Here's another bottle. Dry gin. The dam is looking a lot cleaner, but again, that's just the surface. There's so much more trash hidden underneath. Ryan!
Yeah.
Have fun. Thank you. Yes. Beautiful work. Works like a charm. Oh, I really have to be careful, it's all rotten. Another wine bottle. Ooh, careful. Okay, all the bottles are... No, no, there's another one. There's another one. Come on. Nope. Nine. Come on. You son of a bitch, get in here. Shit. It broke. I fixed it. My gripper broke last time and I fixed it with this metal clamp here. But apparently I didn't make it strong enough. Oh shit, Brian, no, no! Oh, he screwed up again.
I went in again.
Oh shit.
I think I've had enough of this.
Another wine bottle. What's that? A fishing lure, I think. But besides that, the surface looks pretty good. If we look underneath, another wine bottle, more styrofoam, another piece. So yeah, that's pretty bad. I don't even know how we're supposed to get this out. Look how many bottles there are. I'll throw it there because I don't want to break any more glass bottles. Yeah. Ah, there's another one. Whew. Ooh, that was close. But yeah, another one. Oh, down there too. Another one. Yeah, this sucks. Yeah, this is where Brian fell in over there.
What?
A bit too deep. There we go. Plastic, come on. And more styrofoam. So, this is where it gets dangerous. Because I don't know what's underneath here. What's that? Styrofoam again? Come on. More bottles. Yes, another one. Chewing gum. the odd piece of styrofoam. Okay, so I think we're done for today. The dam looks a lot better, especially over here. There used to be a lot of bottles here, and now it looks just like wood. But there's so much stuff under the surface here that we didn't even come close to getting out. So I think to this day this is the largest cleanup that we've ever did. Just look how many bottles we collected here. So we tried to put everything in the bags, but there is a slight problem. I didn't bring enough bags. I thought 4 would be enough, but we found so many glass bottles that we had to put 2 sacks together because they would rip otherwise. And yeah, this one is full, so we have to come back another time to get the rest out, which we would have done anyway. But yeah, now there's more motivation to get back out there.